Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Carol Suggests. Don't mind me, don't mind the fit, don't mind the do. Um, don't shoot the messenger. The messenger is just here to spread love and the message. And the message is, how to use or how you can promote your product on a platform. Today, we're going to be talking about Pinterest. I'm going to show you guys how to promote your products on Pinterest. And this is all for completely free. So follow along in this video. And every link that I'm going to be talking about will be in the description below. So just click on the links in the description below to access the different websites that I'll be using in this video, so that way you can follow along with me. You can even pause the video if you need to as we're going through this, so that way you can make sure that you're getting everything through. So I'm going to do this all live with no edits. That way we can go from A to Z and showing you how to promote your product on Pinterest. And again, I'm going to use Clickbank as a marketplace to finding your product, just so that we can kind of show you, just so I can show you how you can do this from scratch if you are beginning your affiliate marketing journey. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you can have, so you can know whenever I'm throwing out content or stuff like that. Also, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and let's go. All right, so what you're going to do is go to clickbank.com. It's completely free to sign up for it. So sign up for it if you like. Again, I'll have that link accessed in the bottom below. So just click on that link. I already have an account. Of course, I didn't make anything on this one because I'm not active on this one. I do private offers, so that's where I get a lot of my earnings, which I'll show you if you want in another video. So once you're in, you're gonna go to the marketplace. Once you're in the marketplace, you're gonna go to find products. Now, there are categories right here. You can find a niche right here in this category of whatever you're interested in, right? So just for example, I'm gonna do, what am I gonna do? We'll do, there's e-business and e-marketing. Because I'm an affiliate marketer, that's kind of what I'm drawn to, but you can also do like, there are different things that you can do. There's health and fitness. That's another really top good niche that you can get into. So for example, if you're in the health and fitness niche or health and wellness, you'll choose your niche. Okay, and then you're going to come up here to sort the results by gravity. Now, what gravity means that other affiliate marketers are having the same, or at least success with this product, right? And so the higher the gravity, the better the results. And so look, whoa, this is amazing. So the gravity on this one is 861.64. Now, I always want to say have a gravity over 20, okay? It's not 20%, it's not a percentage or anything like that. It's just like a gravity of numbers. It just tells you or shows you how much, I guess, people are finding success with it. And so just anything over 20. Obviously, this is 800 times better than 20. So this is a really good gravity. So that means a lot of affiliate marketers are finding success with this one product. And the great thing about this product is the conversion, or the average price every time you promote this product and someone buys into it, you make a commission of $152.94. And that's the power of sorting your results by gravity. You guys just want to make sure that you have that by gravity. Now, once you let's say you want to choose this one, right? And you have the success, there's an affiliate page that you can go to. That's where you can find all of your resources, most of your resources, which it includes like a banner, like their banners and stuff like that, so that you can put it on your social media or your email marketing. They'll have obviously your link in there so that you can access it in there. They also have maybe email swipes, just resources for you to be able to go out there and promote their products. And they'll have that all in the affiliate page for completely free, and you can just grab that there. Now, once you find a product that you want to promote, so let's just say we want to do this one, Xpure, Xpure, I guess. Um, Another thing I just want to really point to really quickly that's really, really awesome about this recurring rebill, meaning that you'll make commissions every single month because they're going to be on a subscription, right? So once they're on a subscription and they paid their subscription every month, you're going to get something every month. And this is saying $43.79 every single month. So not only will you get this for the first time sale, if they opt into the subscription, you'll get a continuous $43.79 every single month, which I think is amazing. So I think this is a really, really good product to promote. So what you're going to do is go to promote, click on it. And this is where you're going to, let's say you don't want to go to the affiliate page and get through all that. If you want to just get your affiliate link, you can just go right here. So you're going to click promote, go right here. You're going to enter your nickname. Now, if you don't know how to get a nickname, there's a video already that I've shown you how to how to create a nickname here in Clickbank. You can check out that video. I'll leave it at the end of this video so you can have access to that. Also maybe in the description below, but I'll have that video for you where you can generate or create yourself an account name. Now this is where you're going to put your account name. So for this one, we're just going to use example, right? And you put your account nickname in, it'll generate you a hop link. This is your personal affiliate link. This right here is going to be the link that is going to get you money. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to copy that. Once you're copied in that's what you're going to use. And then of course you want to build a funnel around it. You want to build a funnel around it. You want to attach, of course, your email autoresponder. If you don't know what I'm talking about, and if you don't even know what affiliate marketing is, guys, I'll leave the link in the description below for a 15-day challenge that you can try out. It gives you everything. It is the foundation of what I'm sitting on today. Also, I'll have access to a 3-day challenge that if you don't want to do the 15, you can also resort to the 3-day. It's completely up to you, but I'll have those accessed in the bottom below. So that way you can kind of brush up really quickly on what affiliate marketing is, and this will all make sense for you. So build the funnel, of course, build your tools around this link that I'm giving you or that you've got from here. Once you have that link already, what you're going to do is go over to Canva. It's completely free for you to sign up with it. And just go over to Canva, and this is where you're going to create yourself a pin. You don't have to, let's say if you don't want to show your face, you don't have to show your face. You can do this on canva.com completely free. I love Canva services. I started off with it completely free. I'm now in the pro, obviously, but the reason why I get the pro is because they can eliminate your background. So you can just have your picture in there. And so this is where I create a lot of my posts and stuff for Instagram, but this is kind of what you can do. Okay. So you can, for example, I was just going to show you guys this. It's very easy, drag and drop. If you click on it, you can just go into it and you can just make the changes that you need to make. So the art, you can find it here in the elements. You would just search it up here, and then just if whatever you want to look for, you just look through it. So say arrow, and then it'll give you different options on what you can use. There are moving arrows, or they're just picture arrows. It's completely up to you what you want to use, but this is how you kind of do it. Now this is me learning how to do a carousel, so this is kind of different. But of course, whenever you're starting off, you just want to, let's say for Pinterest, right? So let's look for, because they usually have it here. So go to social media, and then you're gonna go to, okay, so Pinterest pin. So can you guys see that right there? Pinterest pin. So we're just gonna go to this one, and you're gonna create a Pinterest pin for completely free. So the great thing about Canva is it has already the different social media platforms that you're using. So it gives you the dimensions of what kind of canvas to use. And that's why it's called canva.com, because it's an empty canvas, and then you just put your art in there. And then you can have, there are templates that you can use also, but it's really simple, drag and drop. You just add a heading. You can, use there are different, what are these called? fonts. There are different font styles that you can use. Of course, the size of the font, the color right here. If you want to add an effect, if you want to lift up the the wording, you can do that. There's a shadow if you wanted to use a shadow. You can add images in here. If you go to uploads, you can upload your media from your computer and then you can just have it accessed in here. You can add an audio if you'd like to. Of course, you just want to make sure that they are like common creative, like you can use them, just make sure they're videos, 15-second videos, 7-second videos, so you can use that, their background. So you can just play around with this and create a pin. So once you've created a pin, right, let's say you've created a pin, you've got something that you like. Let's see, for me, I'm going to this. So I've done like a lot of things before, so I'm just gonna pretend that I've made one. We're just gonna use this one. So, okay, pretty simple, pretty basic. You go to Pinterest.com, you sign up for Pinterest. Again, Pinterest is completely free, guys. It's a platform. It is a search engine. It's more like a search engine. Pinterest, people go to Pinterest to look to buy something, right? As opposed to like Instagram or Facebook or even TikTok. People go there to hang out. People go there for entertainment. They're not really there to look and to buy. So Pinterest is going to be a really good platform for you guys to start off with, especially if you guys are beginning, because also like with their algorithm, I didn't understand it before, but now that I'm understanding platforms, it's kind of the same thing as Instagram, almost. And all you're doing is just, if you already have a TikTok, you can just recreate your TikTok videos and just post them on here. What you're going to do is create an idea pin once you're in your account. So once you're in your account, you signed up for it. I'll leave um, a link also for Pinterest so you guys can access that. You're going to create an idea pin. And obviously, if you have drafts already saved in there, it'll have a draft section. But I made mine completely from scratch because I forgot my password for my last one. So I'm going to do this one all beginning new. So this is with 0 followers. So what you're going to do is you can even batch create your Pinterest, and then you can regularly send them out daily, but you can upload up to 20 images or videos. So what you're going to do is upload. Let's say I use this one, right? And let's just say this is, it has text bubbles. I didn't really put text bubbles in there. I'm just going to show you guys how to put your pin and use your art from Canva and how you're going to set up your ad, right? So once you got the image in, you got a text you can put in there. Oh, you can change this up too. They've upgraded. Ah, this is amazing. And I'm learning that with you guys on here. So I guess you can like also add a title if you want to. If you didn't have anything, oh my God, this is perfect. So this is how it'll look. Look at here. You have right here down, it says the followers suggested. There's where a paragraph would be. There's a save button right here, comment button here, share, like. So they're almost like copying TikTok in a way, or at least not only TikTok, literally how all of these 60-second videos are doing, like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikToks. They're all kind of mimicking what TikTok is doing. And so that's what you can do on Pinterest now, which I think is amazing. So what you're going to do is you're going to add it however you want, right? Let's just say learn affiliate marketing or something like that. Something enticing, way more enticing than that. I'm just kind of showing you guys, that you guys can edit this and stuff like that. Definitely an upgrade from when I first was using this. But this is amazing. And then you can also change the background if you'd like to a different color. So this is for how you want your pin to be presented. So if you have picture pins, you can just or if you have pictures of the product, you can just come here and just put text bubbles in here and then just promote it easy. It's so simple. So what you're going to do is adding the basics. So learn affiliate marketing will be my title because that's what it says on here. And you just want to kind of make sure that everything on what you're saying on your thing on your ad, image ad or your video ad, is kind of also explained in the description, which is going to be here on this side right here. So you're going to organize your board. Let's say, well, for me, I don't have a board yet, right? Because this is completely new. And so once you already, like, if you already have a Pinterest, you'll have boards, so you'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't, you're going to obviously choose a board that you can use. I don't know why it's on that side and it's blurred. Okay, so tag topics for me, it's gonna be like the so affiliate marketing for me, or side hustle, there is no side hustle. Make money. All right, so affiliate marketing, we'll just stick with that. Okay, so once that's done, you're gonna scroll down. If you want to add it to a list, you can. You don't have to. And then there's advanced options, shopping recommendations. If you have like a link there that you can have them to, if you want to turn that on, you can turn it on. If you don't, you don't have to have it on. And then once that's done, you can preview here just to make sure that everything looks good. And so this is an idea pin that you can do, very simple, very basic, something that kind of just shows people, hey, real quick, look here, check this out real quick. Something just really simple and basic in a picture or in an image. So bring as much value as you can into that. And then of course you hit publish, and then once it's published, it's going to get processed, and then once it's done, of course, you're done. So let me just put this up. Obviously, I'm going to take it down later because it's not complete, but once that's done, then that's done. That's how you, right there. Okay, and so everything is on here already. It shows your profile. I think that's so cool. So in my profile and in your profile, you just want to make sure that you have your website right there. Okay, so once it grays out like that, or like closes up like that, and it shows those little information for this right here, it has all of your information already there. So you want to have your website there. You want to have your name, and then a quick short message. So for mine is DM me on Insta to earn, learn how to build a biz, and then click link, right? Which the link is already provided there. So you just want to make sure that in the description of when you're editing your profile, that you have all the information. So when people are passing your idea pins, that they have all the information already there and they can access it. So yeah, I hope that helped. I hope that answered a lot of your questions. If you have any other questions, let me know, and I'm here for you. And that's how you simply promote Pinterest for completely free, using Canva, Pinterest, and Clickbank, all for completely free. So try this out. Let me know how it goes. And yeah, we'll talk to you soon. If you haven't already, go ahead again, click that subscribe button, subscribe. I promise you, you do not want to miss any more of my videos. I'm coming out with content every week to help you guys on strategizing on your affiliate marketing journey. So stick with me, and I got you. Have a great rest of your day. Enjoy the holidays. Happy holidays. Bye.